In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Uno in Telegram. If you've ever wanted a fast, friendly game of Uno without switching apps, you can play it entirely inside a Telegram group with the help of a game bot. I'll walk you through the exact flow so you and your friends can get started in under a minute. First, open Telegram and either create a new group or open an existing group chat where your friends already talk. Uno works best in a group because everyone needs to see the table and take turns in the same place. Think of the group as your virtual game room. Next, add a Uno bot to that group. Tap the group name at the top, choose Add Member, and search for a Uno bot or Uno-themed bot. You'll see several options. Pick one that clearly supports Uno in groups. Adding the bot brings the game engine into your chat so it can host the table, manage turns, and enforce the rules automatically. With the bot in place, start the game lobby by typing /new right in the group chat. Be sure to include the slash and send it as a regular message. The bot will reply with a game room message that includes a join button and a list that updates as players queue up. Consider this your waiting area before the first hand is dealt. Now, ask your friends to tap the join button in the bot's message. Only people who press join are counted as players, so make sure everyone who wants to participate appears in the lobby list. Most bots require at least 2 players. When everyone is ready, begin the match by typing /start in the chat. The bot will close the lobby, deal the cards to each player, and display the first card on the pile so everyone knows what color or number is currently in play. From here, the bot does the heavy lifting. It will announce whose turn it is, show each player their own hand privately, and present simple on-screen buttons so you can make a move with one tap. When it's your turn, just choose a card that matches the current color, number, or symbol. If you can't play, the bot offers the appropriate action and it will handle special cards like reverse, skip, and wild with clear prompts. Turn order rotates automatically. Illegal moves are blocked and a running log in the chat keeps everyone up to speed. That's it. Thanks for watching.